Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,495, comes equipped with a reliable 305 V8 engine and has approximately 190,000 miles on it. It features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and a matching blue interior. The truck has recently undergone significant updates, including a new engine and transmission installed within the last few thousand miles, along with many other improvements to ensure it's ready to drive without additional work. It has new tires and wheels, a fresh oil change completed this week, flushed brakes, and an upgraded cooling system with a new radiator, hoses, water pump, thermostat, and engine oil cooler. Additional maintenance includes new plug wires, a serviced transmission, a replaced power steering pump, a new serpentine belt, and brand new shocks on all four corners. Both the front and rear differential fluids have also been replaced. Number 2. 2001 Mazda B3000, price $10,000, with only 76,000 miles on it. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in green, paired with a clean tan interior, giving it a classic and well-kept appearance. The truck has been carefully maintained and recently serviced to ensure excellent performance. Recent maintenance includes a fully redone air conditioning system that blows ice cold, along with new NGK spark plugs and wires, new fuel injectors, a new fuel pump and filter, and a fresh set of tires all around. The valve-covered gasket has also been replaced. It starts up effortlessly and is ready to go anywhere without hesitation. The vehicle has successfully passed emissions testing and is valid for the next 2 years. Overall, the truck is in very clean condition inside and out, comes with a clean title in hand, and includes both original keys. Number 3. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, classic pickup that combines durability with timeless styling. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine, paired with a capable 4x4 drivetrain that makes it suitable for both everyday driving and light off-road use. The truck features a short bed design, giving it a sportier and more practical profile. It is finished in a black exterior complemented by a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. For its age, the truck is in great overall condition and retains much of its original character, making it an appealing option for classic truck enthusiasts. While the odometer is currently not functioning and the interior could use some refreshing to bring it back to its full potential, the vehicle still presents itself as a solid, well-preserved example. With a bit of attention to detail, it has the potential to be an even more impressive and reliable classic pickup. Number 4. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has approximately 165,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong 5.3L engine paired with a smooth-shifting 4L60 automatic transmission. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior, and it runs on gasoline. It comes equipped with a Transco Junior Shift Kit, a new Y-pipe, high-flow catalytic converters, a thrush muffler, and a short ram intake, all contributing to improved performance and sound. The suspension has been professionally lowered using a Beltec kit with matching Beltec shocks, along with a bolt-in C-notch for proper clearance. Inside, the truck has been refreshed with recovered seats, new carpet, and an Escalade gauge cluster, giving it a more modern and comfortable feel. Additional features include cold air conditioning, strong heating, 5% window tint, and a convenient roll-up bed cover. Number 5. 1986 Toyota pickup, price $4,800. It has 154,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. It is a short bed model powered by the dependable 22 or 4-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Inside, it comes with bucket seats and a center console, along with a heater, no air conditioning. The tires are in great condition with approximately 90% tread remaining, making it ready for the road. Recent maintenance includes the replacement of the fuel pump and clutch master cylinder, ensuring smooth operation. The engine runs strong, and the truck is reported to have no issues. Additionally, it has had a bed liner installed since new, helping to keep the bed in solid condition over the years. Number 6. 1995 GMC 1500, price $6,500, well-maintained pickup featuring a manual transmission, a blue exterior, and 267,000 miles on the odometer, all backed by a clean title. Despite the mileage, it remains mechanically in excellent condition, handling confidently on the road and shifting smoothly through every gear without any issues. The engine runs strong, and the overall driving experience is solid and dependable. Additionally, the truck shows no signs of leaks or frame rust, which speaks to how well it has been cared for over time. The frame and body are in good, solid shape, making it a reliable choice for both daily use and light-duty work. Overall, this GMC 1500 stands as a dependable and sturdy truck that continues to perform well.
Number 7.
1992 Ford F-150, price $4,900, classic extended cab short bed pickup with approximately 200,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gold exterior finish, and a gasoline-powered setup, making it a traditional and reliable configuration for trucks of its era. The interior color is not specified, but the truck maintains a solid overall presence. This particular truck is a Texas vehicle that has never been exposed to road salt, allowing it to remain 100% rust-free and increasingly rare quality for a truck of this age. Under the hood, it features a 302 V8 engine that still runs, although it does have noticeable blow-by and will require an engine rebuild to perform at its best.
Number 8.
1991 Ford Ranger, price $5,000, equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a clean gray exterior with a matching gray interior, and powered by a gasoline engine. It is a 2WD truck that has been used consistently, averaging around 15 to 20 miles of driving per day. For its age, the truck runs well and continues to be a dependable daily driver. It starts up without issues and drives smoothly, making it a solid option for someone looking for a simple and functional older pickup. While it shows its age, it still performs as expected and remains reliable for regular use. The vehicle comes with a salvage title and is listed as TMU, true mileage unknown, which is common for older trucks of this era. Overall, this Ranger presents a practical and affordable choice for anyone needing a basic, no-frills truck that still gets the job done.
Number 9.
1971 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,800. It has been driven approximately 145,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a black exterior. This truck features a patina-style paint job that was intentionally applied and is not actual rust. While there is some rust present on the rocker panels and a small portion of the floor pans, these areas remain solid and can either be repaired or left as is for a more authentic look. It has been upgraded with a brand new painless wiring system installed from front to back, with around $12,000 invested in the build. Under the hood, it runs a mildly built 327 engine with a 0.500 lift cam, high-rise intake, and a 600 carburetor, along with a rebuilt top end. The TH400 transmission was sourced from a running vehicle, and the truck starts, pulls strong, and drives exceptionally well. It's quick and responsive on the road. Number 10. 1974 Ford F-150, price $3,000, showing 96,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck stands out with its bright yellow exterior, nicely complemented by a blue interior that adds to its vintage appeal, featuring a newly installed 360 engine that provides solid performance. It runs and drives well, making it a great candidate for both casual use and further restoration if desired. The bed is in great condition, showing that it has been well cared for over the years. While the cab does have some typical wear and common problem areas expected from a vehicle of this age, it also comes with an antique title, which keeps ownership costs low with an annual registration fee of only $29, making it an appealing option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a vintage pickup.